Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Shampoo. The price of the shampoo is $4.99 for 250 ml of quantity. This product comes in this box and this has this opaque plastic bottle and it has a press down dispenser. This shampoo has a very thick and gel-based texture. It forms a very generous lather. This is the complete ingredient list of this shampoo. These are all of the surfactants that they have added in this shampoo. These are all of the hair conditioning ingredients. These are all the viscosity controlling and preservative ingredient that is present in this product. Phenoxyethanol is in the middle of the ingredient list, which means and all the ingredients that come after it are all the hair conditioning ingredients. Now phenoxyethanol is used in 1% of concentration in most of the personal care products, and so all of these ingredients that come after phenoxyethanol are most likely less than 1%, which is very low concentration. I have tried a lot of good shampoos that are not just cleansing the hair well but also moisturizing it like at least slightest a bit, but this one is it does not work well in its overall formulation, and though it does display all of those good ingredients, hair conditioning ingredients, but they are in very low concentration in this shampoo. They have a lot of things written under the claims and it's a huge list, so I'm just going to take some key points out of the claims that they have made and share my thoughts about it. First claim is that it is best shampoo for hair fall. Second claim is that it has sweet coffee notes. Third claim is that it cleanses. Fourth claim is it's vegan, cruelty free and PETA certified. Then they also mention it's free from SLS, paraben and silicones and all of those stuff. The last claim is that it suits all hair types. Now I'll quickly share my overall thoughts about these claims and my experience with this shampoo. The first claim of this product is that it is best shampoo for hair fall. I have tried a lot of shampoo for review and I certainly feel that this is not the best of all. That's a very strong claim to make, and I don't think so that this is the best shampoo for hair fall, because when I used this shampoo, though it did not cause any additional hair fall, it did not even like reduce hair fall, so I don't think this claim worked out for me, so no. Second claim of this product is sweet coffee note. Now if you have seen my review of the Mcaffeine coffee face wash, you would have seen that it did not smell like coffee at all, and I would say the same for this coffee shampoo as well. In fact, it smells exactly like the coffee face wash, but the fragrance is a little bit stronger in this shampoo as compared to the face wash, so it smells exactly same, does not smell like coffee at all. Then they talk about free from SLS, parabens and all of that stuff, which is correct. Last claim is suits all hair types. I wouldn't agree with that at all, because as I mentioned in the ingredients part of this review that it contains a lot of good moisturizing hair conditioning ingredients, but they are in very low concentration, and that is why this shampoo, after using the shampoo, the hair feels extremely dry and it doesn't feel the slightest bit moisturized, so it wouldn't suit dry hair types at all. It wouldn't suit any hair types. If you're planning to buy this shampoo just on its own without using any conditioner or hair mask, do not try that, because it just wouldn't work. It's too drying for that. Because I was using the shampoo along with a good hair mask, so that is why my hair did not stay dry completely throughout the process of hair wash and being with that hair. So because of using good hair mask, my hair was saved. Otherwise I wouldn't recommend this. I wouldn't agree with the fact that it suits all hair types. So these were all of the cons of this product, which is surprising because I always start with pros and then mention one or two cons, but with this product these are all of the cons of this product. The only positive point of this product is the packaging. They work a lot on their packaging and yeah, making it very attractive. Second positive aspect of this product is that it cleanses the scalp very well, so that's the only thing. Most of the claims that they have made has not been justified for my experience with this product, so I will definitely not recommend this, because I have tried a lot of good shampoos that are in similar or even lesser price range. So go check those videos out if you're interested. And that is all I have to say about this shampoo. So that is my overall review of the Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Shampoo. I hope you found this review to be helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more such skincare reviews, hair care reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos in the description box below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.